All right, we're at the Oceanography and Meteorology Building at Texas A&M in College Station, Texas. And you guys have read the title of my 13th year anniversary on YouTube. This is the 13th story freight elevator. Well, the passenger elevators only serve 12 floors. But not only that, you're not gonna believe this, y'all. No flippin' way. It is unlocked. It's unlocked. I don't believe it. I cannot believe it. It is unlocked. How lucky is that? I can't believe I'm going to the 13th floor in the whole entire heart of A&M. Oh, this is something, y'all. I just tried it like a few seconds ago, and I was speechless. Oh, is this unlucky? Wow, look at this. I can't believe it, y'all. You hear the machine from the main passenger elevators. I'm not gonna take so much rides on this elevator because I already filmed it. I just can't believe it. We went all the way up to the 13th floor. All the way up to the 13th floor. I can't even believe it. I can't believe they unlocked the 13th floor. That is just something, because usually 13 is a very unlucky, superstitious number. By the way, this video was recorded in January, but I will upload the video next month on the day of the anniversary of my YouTube channel when it turns 13 years old. Forgot to open this door right here. See, that's the back door right here. Does 13 open on the rear side? Nope, it does not. We'll try the front side one more time. Now, I wear my gloves because it's cold outside. This is totally unusual. I never would have imagined. This is not real. I mean, I would have never imagined the 13th floor literally being unlocked. This is unreal. I'm literally dreaming. This has got to be a dream, y'all. This isn't real. Oh, for the love of, you know what? Please do not give me a nightmare, because I don't want to be scared by the movie called Friday the 13th. All right, let's go back down to B and BR. It's your original indicator. This is what I call a lucky 13th anniversary YouTube special that you guys wouldn't even believe. This is totally rare to find an elevator with literally 13 floors. This is just not usual. This is totally unusual, y'all, because normally it goes from 12 to 14, but this one is 12 to 13. The 13th floor used as the topmost floor. All right. Anyways, I'm gonna go back up to 1 because I don't want to be playing on this elevator, because this is only intended for freight. And I'll unlock the back door as well. See, this COP opens the rear side. Well, this main COP only opens the front side. We're not moving? Okay. Oh, when I get stuck in the basement, that would be even more scary than Friday the 13th. I can't even help the doors because I got gloves on. There we go. Okay, well, that was the most luckiest video I've ever made. Very, very lucky 13. All right. Hope you all enjoy that. All right, there it goes. And before I end, first things first, I want to say thank you all so much for 13 years on YouTube. And, oh, it's already going up. I don't know if it's going to go up to 13 or it's just going to stop in the middle. But anyways, I hope you all enjoyed that. As you can see, the freight elevator is a lot slower. Oh, it looks like it's going all the way up. It is going all the way up. Yep, all the way up to 12. Well, if I wasn't in there, the freight elevator probably doesn't want to go to 13 ever again. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching and for 13 years on YouTube. And that is going to be it.